Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Photoshop tutorials how to merge layers. I will create new file and we insert for the image. You can click file, go to press embed. I will insert this image and the next we insert again another image. So I will use this image and you can see it will be automatically create two layer in here. This is for the first image and this is the second image. Now, if you want to merge these two layers, you can select, right click, and then you can choose merge layers like this. So it will be automatically merged. But the other option, if you draw like shape in here, I will draw rectangle. It will be create new rectangle layer. And we draw again for ellipse in here. So if you want to combine these two layers, you can select, right click, and you can choose merge shapes. It will be automatically saved into one layers. Okay, that's it for basic Photoshop tutorials, how to merge layers. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.